In this video, you'll learn how to fix Google Ads that are rarely shown because of a low quality score. This issue is common and can seriously limit your reach and performance. Let's go through how to identify the problem and improve your score step by step. Start by opening Google Ads and signing into your account. Once you're in the main dashboard, click on Campaigns from the left-hand menu. Here, you can see all your active campaigns and quickly identify which ones are struggling with low visibility or limited impressions. Next, click on the Keywords section. Your quality score is heavily influenced by your keywords, since they determine how relevant your ads are to users' searches. Each keyword has its own quality score, which you can view in the columns menu by selecting Quality Score. If you notice several keywords with low scores, focus on improving three main components: expected click-through rate, ad relevance, and landing page experience. Let's start with ad relevance. Make sure your ad copy closely matches the intent behind your keywords. If you're targeting digital marketing services, your ad should include that exact phrase and clearly explain what you offer. Avoid using generic or mismatched headlines, as they lower relevance and push down your score. Next is expected click-through rate. This measures how likely users are to click your ad. To improve it, test new headlines and descriptions that are more engaging. Use action words, highlight unique benefits, and include clear calls to action. Now, focus on your landing page experience. Once users click your ad, the page they land on must deliver exactly what was promised. Keep your landing page content relevant to your ad and keyword. Make sure it loads fast, looks clean on mobile devices, and has a clear path to conversion. After optimizing these three areas, move on to negative keywords. This step is often overlooked, but makes a big difference. Negative keywords prevent your ads from showing in irrelevant searches, which improves relevance and boosts your overall quality score. Go to the Negative Keywords tab, review your existing list, and add new ones that help filter out unrelated traffic. For example, if you sell premium services, you might add free or cheap as negative keywords. Also, double check your bidding strategy. If your bids are too low, your ads might not enter enough auctions to gather data, making it harder for Google to measure and improve your quality score. Slightly increasing your bids can help you gain visibility while your score improves. Finally, keep in mind that improving quality score takes consistency. Check your keyword performance regularly, test new ad variations, and continue refining your landing pages. Each small improvement adds up and helps your ads appear more often. At a lower cost per click. With steady optimization, you'll notice your ads start showing more frequently and performing better across campaigns.